Hello everyone, this is Tanvir Ahmed, a second year student of Civil Engineering, National Institute of Technology, Rourkela. Today in this slide, I am going to discuss about problem number 3.8 from the book of Dr. A. M. Chandra. Problem statement. Reciprocal leveling was conducted across a wide river to determine the difference in level of points A and B. A situated on one bank of the river and B situated on the other. The following result on the staff held vertically at A and B from level station 1 and 2 respectively were obtained. The level station 1 was near to A and station 2 was near to B. From this table, we get staff reading on A1 1.485, A2 1.725, and for B, B1 1.190 and B2 1.415. If the reduced level of B is 55.18 meter above the datum, what is the reduced level of A? Again, assuming that the atmospheric condition remain unchanged during the two sets of the observation, calculate 1. The combined curvature and the refraction correction if the distance AB is 315 meter and the collimation error. Now discuss about theory and concepts. Leveling. Leveling is an operation in surveying performed to determine the difference in level of 2 points. By this operation, the height of a point from a datum known as elevation is determined. Level surface. A level surface is the equipotential surface of the Earth's gravity field. It is curved surface and every element of which is normal to the plumb line. Datum. A datum is a reference surface of constant potential called as a level surface of the Earth's gravity field for measuring the elevation of the points. One of such surface is the mean sea level surface and is considered as a standard datum. Also an arbitrary surface may be adopted as a datum. Reduced level RL. Reduced level of a point is its height or depth above or below the assumed datum. It is elevation of the point. Reciprocal leveling. Reciprocal leveling is employed to determine the correct difference of level between 2 points which are quite apart and where it is not possible to set up the instrument between the 2 points for balancing the sides. It eliminates the error due to the curvature of the earth, atmospheric refraction and collimation. If the 2 points between which a difference of level is required to be determined are A and B, then in reciprocal leveling, the first set of the staff reading A1 and B1 is taken by placing the staff on A and B and instrument close to A. The second of the reading A2 and B2 is taken again on A and B by placing the instrument close to B. The difference of level between A and B is given by delta H is equal to A1 minus B1 plus A2 minus B2 divided by 2. The combined error is given by E is equal to B1 minus A1 minus B2 minus A2 divided by 2, where E is equal to E1 plus EC minus ER. Here we can see that E1 is equal to the collimation error assumed positive for the line of sight inclined upward, and here EC is equal to the error due to the Earth's curvature, and here ER is equal to the error due to the atmospheric refraction. We have EC minus ER. EC minus ER means the combined curvature and the refraction error whose value has 0.067 d square. Here d is the distance between A and B which is in kilometer. The collimation error is thus given by E1 is equal to E minus 0.067 d square in meter. Solution. From the previous theory we can get the solution easily. The combined correction can be applied in two ways. 1. By decreasing each staff reading by the amount 0.0673 d square and then finding the reduced level, and 2. By first finding the reduced level of the points in the usual way and then increasing them by the amount 0.0673 d square. The error due to curvature and refraction can be eliminated by the equalizing backside and foresight distances. To eliminate the errors due to collimation, curvature of the earth and atmospheric refraction over long sides, the reciprocal leveling is performed. From the given data we have A1 is equal to 1.485 meter, A2 is equal to 1.725 meter, B1 is equal to 1.190 meter and B2 is equal to 1.415 meter. The difference in level between A and B is given by delta A is equal to A1 minus B1 plus A2 minus B2 divided by 2. From the value of A1 B1 and A2 B2, we get delta S is equal to 0.303 meter. Here reduced level of B is equal to reduced level of A plus delta S. We know that reduced level of B is equal to 55.18. So reduced level of A is equal to 55.18 minus 0.303 is equal to 54.88 meter. Here we get the reduced level of A is 54.88 meter. The total error we know that E is equal to E1 plus EC minus ER. So the combined error, we also know that from the theory that E is equal to B1 minus A1 minus B2 minus A2 divided by 2. E is equal to, by putting A1 B1 and A2 B2's value, we get E is equal to 0.008 meter. So the combined error is 0.008 meter. In the question, it is given that the distance AB is 315 meter. Here D is the distance between A and B in kilometer. So the distance of A and B is 315 meter, in kilometer is 0.315 kilometer. So the combined curvature and refraction error EC minus ER is equal to 0.067 D square. Here what is D? D is the AB, means the distance between AB. So its D square means 0.315 whole square. That is, the combined curvature and refraction error is equal to 0.007 meter. Therefore collimation error, we know that E1 is equal to E minus EC minus ER. Here EC minus ER we get 0.007 meter, which is the combined curvature and refraction error. Again E is combined error that we get from previous slide, that is 0.008 minus 0.007. That's mean the collimation error is 0.001 meter. We got that problem statement from this book of Dr. A.M. Chandra, and the link is provided here. Thank you everyone.